Hello, Scott Thomas here with Stewardship Matters, here to talk about why donors may wish to make a gift of life insurance. A donor wishes to benefit a charity at death, but wishes to retain control of a policy as to take lifetime loans or cash withdrawals from the life insurance policy. The charity is named as the beneficiary, while the donor insured pays the premiums and owns the policy. There is not a tax advantage and there are no deductions as the donor still retains control. Why a donor may wish to gift an existing life insurance policy to charity will potentially receive tax deductions for the gift of the policy now and future premium payments. Practically speaking, some donors pay the charity and then the charity pays the premiums, and then other times the donor pays premiums directly to the policy owned by the charity. Either way, the donor is making gifts and the charity owns and controls the policy. There are limits on the amount of insurance. It should be in line with what was to be expected gifts over the donor's lifetime. So what strategy is generally best to maximize a spousal residual trust or B trust? Well, assuming the surviving spouse does not have a need for income from the trust, then one of the best methods is to grow the B trust assets is to buy life insurance on the surviving spouse. So if the B trust owns the policy and pays the premium, the assets are outside the taxable estate, it should not create any taxable income or gift taxes provided the B trust pays the premiums. How an IRA bequest wealth replacement trust can benefit donors. Well, there is income respect to decedent, which is a IRS term for taxes. So an IRA, you have one and you die and you leave money to your heirs, it creates tax bombs. The stretch IRA is mostly gone. Ordinary income and estate taxes due on the IRA. Taxes due that creates liquidity issues and forced sale. And giving an IRA to a charity avoids all of the above. However, where does that leave your heirs? A wealth replacement trust. It's a special funding trust for the purpose of getting money to heirs without estate or income taxes. It provides liquidity when needed and best funded with life insurance. It can also provide greater asset protection. If you'd like to reach out to me, 407-644-9411 extension 2 or Scott@stewardshipmatters.net. That's Scott@stewardshipmatters.net.